everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today I have a cool new tool, another one of those that kind of fits in that in-between. It wasn't at Creativation, but we've had it since. And I saw it recently at Joann's. I picked this one up. They didn't let me use a coupon on it. I know some stores do, some stores don't, but I'm going to add links below so that you can buy it. And I have found it on sale for you, so you want to check those out. But this is the foil quill cutting kit, and there's a couple of different things you can actually use with it. I've had a few different ideas I wanted to share with you. And a few different things you might like to use it with. So I'm just going to open up this packaging a little bit, at least start it off. And the idea is, you know, when I get that foil out and it's all staticky and all those kinds of things, well, this is supposed to put an end to that. So we're going to try that out. And if this works as planned, I have some really cool ideas in different ways you could use it. So let me open this up here. We have a cutting mat that comes with it. You have your foil clips, and then you also have your mat, and you have a little cutter. So let me just open these pieces up. So you can see this is how it comes. So this is your magnetic mat right here, and it's a little bit thicker just because it's got that magnet in the bottom there. And then you have your ruler, which of course is also taped down. So much packaging. There we go. Pull this end off too. There we go. Okay, so this is how it works. Is you're supposed to put your little clips on the edge of your mat like this. And same on the other side. Just like so. And then take your foil. So this could be your foil quill foil. It could be your thermoweb foil. It could be vinyl. All sorts of different things. Anything really that kind of comes on a roll. Maybe like interfacing if you're sewing. That's what I was kind of thinking, is it works for a ton of different things. And then all you do is you take your roll and you position your clips so that your roll fits on there. You see, just like this. So I'm just pressing that in. So you now can see that this rolls nice and freely, a bit like a roll feeder. And then I'm going to snip this here. Okay, and now we are ready to go. So you measure out however much you want. So you just kind of pull your roll. Okay, I want this much or however much it is. Now bear in mind this is a magnetic ruler, so my thoughts are, because this is just these clips on here, is you could take these clips and you could put them onto any rotary mat if you want to cut vinyl just with your regular ruler and rotary cutter. You could also take the clips and put them onto the larger magnetic mat that We Are Memory Keepers does, and then of course you can measure out, because the only thing I would say about this, and my thought as soon as I bought it, is it has no grid lines on here, so you don't really know where you're cutting. You see, this is plain, and it's plain on both sides because I did check that bit. But if you, of course, had grid lines on it, you could measure out, okay, here I need 6 inches or 7 inches or whatever you need for that project. So I think that would be a really nice addition. You don't necessarily know if your ruler is straight. The only way I've managed to do it is to actually line up my ruler to the edge of my mat. So I'm just feeling that it's flush. So a couple of things I would probably change if I was designing this, but then it comes with your nice little rotary tool in here, which just clips away just like that. I mean, how simple is that? And then you just hold your ruler, put this along the edge, and it's a metal ruler, so you don't have to worry about cutting it. There we go. And you can see there. So that's cut it, and then you just pop that away and you're done. Again, a nice little functionality would have been if we could have some kind of magnet or maybe a little thing to store this. But then when I am done, is I just lift that up and I have a nicely cut piece of foil, which is just a little bit easier than trying to like snip it in the right ways, and it makes the roll a little bit easier to manage. As I say, I would use it with other things too, like vinyl rolls, HTV rolls, infusible ink rolls, all sorts of different things you can use this with. And of course the ruler is going to go on any magnetic mat, or you could use those clips on any rotary mat because they are that thickness. So I'm hoping they start selling those clips separately, because that would be super cool. So hit on this, I'm going to go hit because I can see lots of different things I can do with it. Lots of times I would use this as well, but it would be nice if they come out with a version 2. So they are my 2 cents. As I always say, you know, tools are completely personal. Some things you may love, some things may not, but try it out, let us know what you think. And of course don't forget forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, give us the likes, the thumbs up. Check out that sale link below. Check out all the coupons we have below. And of course, sign up to receive notifications so that you see all of our Creativation videos. And I will be back tomorrow with another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. But in the meantime, happy crafting and have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.